Today's topic is very much interesting. In this, you will learn how we draw linear equation graph. So let's begin. Question is, drawing graph of the following equations. Number one, if y equal to c, where c is a constant. Number two, if x equals to a, where a is constant. In this, we will learn how to we represent these points on the graph. In other words, how to represent linear equation on the graph. Alright. Remember always to represent linear equation on the graph, we need 2 points, x-axis and y-axis. Alright. Now, question is if y equal to c, y equals to 3. Suppose I just replace c with 3. Consider y equals to 3. Then how we locate this point y equal to 3 on the coordinate axis? So let's begin. I am just recalling you. This is the Cartesian plane. X, x dash, y, y dash. And this center point is called origin, O. Alright. Now, we have to represent y equal to 3 on the graph. So, I just write like that. Y equal to 3. But remember one thing, I have said before, where c is constant means where y is 3 is constant. Constant means it's not varying. So y equal to 3 means 3, 3, 3, 3. Alright. Y is constant, y is stable, y is not varying, y is not moving. Alright. Now, according to this question, if y equal to 3, then there must be a value of x. So suppose if y equals to 3, then x will be 0. Alright. And if, because in the given question y equals to 3, it means x is 0. Alright. And if x is 0, then what will be the value of y? Is if x is 1, x is 2, x is minus 1. This values of x will be created by our own selves according to the question. Alright. So let's begin. We have to represent on x-axis, y-axis, in other words, Cartesian plane, y equals to 3. You can simply do that where y is positive. I have told you x is positive on the right side, x is negative on left side. Y is positive on y-axis on upper side, y is negative on downward side. Alright. So here y is positive, y equals to 3. It's very simple, very easy. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, on downward side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Similarly, on x-axis, 1 is positive, 2, 3, 4, 5. On negative side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now we are going to the directly. Question is y equals to 3. So what we do? 0 is here, y is equal to 3. It must be like there. So what is the point here? This is the point where we have to represent y equals to 3. But the question is we want to represent on linear equation. Alright, how to represent linear equation? So y is equal to 0. At 0, y is equal to 3, x is 0. And if y is equal to 3 again, and if x is 1, suppose x is 1, positive 1, it must be like that. It must be like that. This is called point 1. Understood? If I repeat, if on 0, x, y is 3. On 1, if x is 1, then y will be 3. If x is 2, then y will be again 3. So it must be like that. We will merge with that point. Alright. Now if x is minus 1, then y is 3, then it will be like that. So this point is like that. So by merging these points, we get a line. Now I am just doing it neatly, just by using the scale. So this point is called A1, this point is on 2, this point is on -1. By joining these points, you get a linear equation which is parallel to x-axis. Alright, this is just removed by my hand. I'm just make it clear like that. I hope it's clear. It's very difficult to draw on board as you are looking. Alright, this is 1, this is 0. Alright, I hope it's clear. So, we get a linear equation against our horizontal axis. So, this is the graph we easily locate on the paper. So, you can say that the graph of the equation y equal to 3. In the end, you can write like that. The graph of the equation y equals to 3 is what? Is the straight linear equation, is the straight linear equation parallel to x-axis. Simple. This is the answer. I hope it's clear. We are just representing y is equal to c. C means constant, not y is not varying. Suppose y equals to 3. So we have to represent this y equal to 3 on the graph. So at this point, y is equal to 3, then x will be 0. If x is equals to 1, x equals to 2, then what we get the point and y is 3. So we get these points. And if x equals to -1, then we get this point. By joining these points, I got a straight line, linear equation, got a straight line which is parallel to the x-axis. This is the answer. I hope it's clear. Don't go anywhere. We will do next question. X equals to a. I hope it's clear. X equals to a, where a is a constant. It means a is not vary. A is stable. A is constant. So suppose, like they have given us an example. Suppose x equals to -5, where a is equal to -5. In other words, if we are x equals to -5, we have to represent on the graph if x equals to -5. So as you know, x is constant. In the equation, x equals to constant. So -5, -5, -5. On representing this point on the graph, what with the value of y? This is the main point. If x is -5, and then y will be 0. When we are representing -5 point, then y will be 0. And if y is 1, y is 2, y is -1, so these points will be created by my own self according to the given question. Alright, don't be confused. Whenever you have to represent any equation on the graph and x is constant, x is not vary, y points will be right by my own self. What will be the value of y? If suppose, let's start, x equal to -5, where is negative, x is equal to -5, this one, y will be 0. This is the point where x equal to -5. Simple. And if x is 1, sorry, y is 1, so what will be the point? X is this and y is this. So join this point, this. You got it? Now next, x is -5 again, but y is 2. Y is 2. Y is 2. Again, this point joined with -5. You got it? If x is -5 again, y is -1. Y is -1, it will be downward side like this, -1. So come here and join with it. By these points, we just create a line. Now this is the main point. By joining these points, I create a line which is parallel to y-axis. This point, this point, this point, this point. Alright. So this is a linear equation parallel to y-axis. Clear? You don't read. It's a very simple interesting. Just analyze what I am trying to say you. On x-axis, if x is equal to -5, then y will be 0. Y is 0, x is -5. Suppose if y is 1, then x will remain same -5. Constant means x is not varying. Now next step, x is again -5, y is equal to 2. Then line will get the point. If y is 3, then x will be -5. If x, now next step, x is -1, then y will be, sorry, y is -1, x is -5. Suppose x is -2, then y is -2, then x is again -5. By joining these points, I get the line which is parallel to y-axis. So what will we write in the end? This is the graph of the equation. The graph of the equation x equals to -5 is the straight line, parallel to which axis? Y-axis. This is not always that we get parallel line with the x-axis parallel line to y-axis. This does not always happen. It will also get this slope. This will also have don't touch the origin. We will do questions on it.